It's after 9 p.m. at the Crib, an emergency overnight shelter for young adults run by the Night Ministry. With no home to go to, many of these young people have spent the day riding the train or the bus. On nights when they couldn't make it here, some, like Ghoneim, have been awakened by a stranger asking them to leave their property.
It's very rough, and I'm uncomfortable with just, being homeless.
Without stable housing and constantly on the move, homeless young people are at a higher risk of contracting and spreading COVID-19. Due to social distancing guidelines, the National Network for Youth says there are fewer shelter beds in communities across America. It's calling for urgent federal funding to meet a need that's only expected to grow as winter arrives. More than 4 million Americans between the ages of 13 and 25 experience homelessness each year. Experts say ensuring young people have stable housing is as important as helping them find jobs. Yet due to the pandemic, many are now also unemployed. At the Ignite Drop-In Center, the staff helps homeless youth obtain identification, apply for jobs, benefits, and temporary housing, and links them to mental health professionals.
Our young people really have been in survival mode when they find us and haven't been focused on building a foundation. They've been focused on surviving from day to day and keeping themselves safe and well. But they're not able to, until they find Ignite, be able to put their feet on the ground and really start planning for their future.
From the age of 6, Maurice was raised in foster homes. In his late teens, he reunited with his biological parents, who were no longer together. He hoped he would finally have a family to provide that cocoon of support, but there was constant strife. So Maurice kept a small bag packed and bounced around from house to house, never feeling welcome and struggling to finish school.
It felt like I was just deep down and not finna come back up. Like imagine being trapped and you can't move. You feel me? Like I didn't know what I was gonna do.
He's now a certified nursing assistant and lives on his own in a government-subsidized apartment. For people like Ghoneim, Maurice's story provides hope. However, with the pandemic's economic impact, there's growing concern whether young homeless Americans will be able to continue to reach for the lifeline they need. Natasha, Ghoneim, Jazeera, Chicago.